Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got a super quick and easy guide for you how to connect your PS4 controller to the Samsung S23 Ultra. Yes, it works in 2025 as well, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get right into it. First, unlock your S23 Ultra and go to settings. Now tap on connections and then tap Bluetooth. Leave your phone on this screen. We'll come back to it in just few seconds. Now pick up your PS controller, the PS4 controller, and press the hold both the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time. Keep holding them until the light bar on your controller starts blinking rapidly. Back to your phone, tap scan on the Bluetooth screen. You should now see wireless controller pop up in the list. Tap on it, then tap pair. And that is it. PS4 controller is now successfully connected to your Samsung S23 Ultra. Perfect for gaming. Into the plot. If this helped you out, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.